So you're planning to fly to Cambodia. Bingo! You are planning the right time of the year, quite literally. And in this video, we'll share how you can apply and get your visa in a week and some facts about Cambodia you should know. Let's start. Before we share how, here's what you need to know. Cambodia offers e-visa to Indians. It's a single entry visa with 3 months validity. Application fee is 36 USD. You can get the visa in a week. You should have a tentative itinerary with you before applying. And lastly, you will need soft copies of these things: your passport's front page and a passport size photograph. Have questions? Stick along and they'll get answered. The link to apply for Cambodia e-visa through Atlys is in the video description below. When you click on that, you will land on this page. On the left side, you will find all the important information: the visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same and whenever you are ready, start your application. The platform will then ask for your departure month, and from there, all you need to do is to sit straight when we click your picture, to steadily hold front page of your passport, share details about yourself and your travel plan. Once done, pay the government fee and your part is done. From there, we'll take care. You can download our app to conveniently track your application, and your visa will be with you on the promised date and time. So, was it easy? Now that you know this, let's learn a couple of things about Cambodia. Cambodia is located in Southeast Asia, just 5 to 7 flight hours from India. It has majestic temples, lush rainforests and lakes and rivers everywhere. Phnom Penh and Siem Reap draw the most international visitors. Cambodian rial and US dollars are widely accepted. The official language is Khmer, but many speak English. And besides the iconic Angkor Wat, the country is also known for delicious cuisine. Fish emok is a must-try. Floating villages, night markets in Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, and the traditional Apsara dance. 3 to 4 days are ideal to explore the country, and from there you can head on to explore its neighbors like Vietnam, Thailand or Laos. To conclude, this is everything you need to know about the tourist visa application process for Cambodia. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section below. Our team would be happy to solve this. We'll be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlys. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe. See you soon.